Welcome to Indec Tutorials. Today, we will show you how to import your Excel data into GOBENCH. Part 1. Create an import matrix. Step 1. Let's start in administration, then open modules or systems. Step 2. From there, simply select systems or modules. Step 3. Now click on Administrate Import Matrices for the system or module needed. Step 4. Create a new matrix and choose how your Excel file is organized. Step 5. Next, connect each field to the Excel columns and configure every detail. Step 6. Save it, and that's it. Your matrix is ready to use anytime you need it. Part 2. Import data with an existing matrix. Step 1. Now head to Data Management, open the target system or module, and click Data Import. Step 2. Choose your Excel file and a matrix that you have already created. Step 3. Pick the Excel file from your computer. Step 4. Decide whether you want to create new records or update existing ones, whichever fits what you need. And that's it. Simple, right? Follow us for more tutorials on LinkedIn and YouTube. GOBENCH, Competitive Benchmarking Intelligence.